Please don't hang up.
What do you want?
Oh, nothing. I'm just hanging out with the sponge. How about you?
Oh, you know, a little this, a little that, a little vacuuming.
That sounds like fun. I wish I was over there. SpongeBob's house is boring. There's nothing going on over here.
Well, that sure don't sound like nothing. What's all the ruckus?
Oh, SpongeBob's pineapple is rotting and falling apart all around us. We're doomed.
I'll be right over.
Oh, take your time.
Holding steady, Patrick. But who knows how long the support system will last?
Oh. This place sure went to pot quick. Knock it out, SpongeBob.
No, Sandy, don't. We must never, ever knock. This pineapple could topple over at the slightest just...
SpongeBob, what are you doing here? You were supposed to be at work 2 hours ago.
Hello? Anybody here? Hello? You guys know how to make a Krabby Patty?
No, but I know how to open a cash register.
Your tardiness is costing me money.
I know, Mr. Krabs. I'm sorry, but I hope...
And Squidward, I expect more from you. Actually, no, I don't.
Well, I'm with you, SpongeBob, and I got the toolbox to prove it.
I'm here because... Wait, why am I here? SpongeBob! I'm having another eggs and pencils crisis!
Not now, Patrick. And Squidward has done a great job holding it all together.
Against my will, I might add.
So what do you say, Mr. Krabs? Will you help?
Well, I suppose I could join the cause. But it'll have to be our standard deal.
A week of my wages per hour?
You got it, kiddo!
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's get this restoration underway! Perfectly calibrated!
Not a bad bit of wing scattering, if I do say so myself. Now to put the finishing touches on her.